Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Redotpay card on Facebook. First, log into your Facebook account on your computer or mobile device. Then go to Settings, scroll down to Payments, and click on Payment Methods. Here, click on Add Payment Method. Next, choose credit or debit card as the payment type. Enter your Redotpay virtual card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. If Facebook asks for billing information, enter the address linked to your Redotpay account. Once done, click Save. Facebook may make a simple temporary charge to verify your card. Open your Redotpay app to check the verification code or pending charge and enter it on Facebook if prompted. After verification, you can go to Facebook Ads Manager or the Shop or Checkout section. Select your Redotpay card as the payment method and confirm the payment. You can also update or remove the card anytime in Facebook payment settings and monitor all your transactions directly in the Redotpay app for security. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.